I'm going to discuss the so-called mysteries of quantum mechanics. In fact, it's a misnomer. It's not the mysteries of quantum mechanics. It's the mysteries of the microscopic world. We live in a macroscopic world with an A. It's the phenomenal reality that our brain creates. Our brain creates a representation of the world that we live in as it gathers through sense information. We have no direct access to our senses. That's all colored for us by our brain. And our brain creates what we would call a phenomenal world, a world that we, in fact, live in and we're very familiar with. And you could call it also, if you want, the macroscopic world. It's the world of objects, people, places, things, colors, sounds, everything that, in fact, we can experience. And the microscopic world is not a world that is directly accessible to our senses. Yes, we can try to make measurements, try to see what's going on in the microscopic world, but in fact, there's really no guarantee that what happens there in that small region of our world has anything, how it relates to the macroscopic world. Yeah, we think of the atom as a particle. We know what particles are, like little billiard balls, and the electrons revolving around the nucleus of the atom. Yeah, we know what that is. We know the solar system. We know about things revolving and circulating and so on. But that's really trying to picture the microscopic world, the world of quantum mechanics, if you would, using concepts, using pictures, ideas that we get from the macroscopic world. And we do the best we can with that. But the mystery is that there was no guarantee to begin with that we could accomplish that task. There's no guarantee that the microscopic world is going to behave at all like things we're used to in our phenomenal reality. So there's not a mystery of quantum mechanics, because quantum mechanics does the best that it can. It uses statistics and duality, if necessary, to show us what is, and it works very well. Quantum mechanics is a very successful physical theory, and it does the best job that it can, but it's not going to clear up any mysteries. That world, that microscopic world, is not accessible to us, and we need to relax. There are going to be things in this universe that our minds cannot get direct access. It's not that we couldn't understand it. If, for example, God came down or sent an archangel to teach us what's happening in the microscopic world, I think we probably could. Then maybe we'd be able to understand it. I'm not even sure of that. But really, at this point, we need to take it, in a sense, on faith. We know how to mathematize what's happening in the microscopic world, and it works fabulously. Let's not twist our minds and torture ourselves that we can't understand it completely. We should not have expected that would happen. Amen.